Meaning of fearless.
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 Fearless. Fearless is an adjective that describes someone who is without fear or courageous despite the presence of danger or difficulties. It implies a lack of hesitancy, timidity, or apprehension in the face of challenges. Being fearless means having the bravery to take on risks and not be intimidated by obstacles or setbacks. It can result in a sense of empowerment, self-confidence, and personal growth as one continues to push themselves outside their comfort zone. Fearlessness can inspire others and lead to positive changes in both individuals and society as a whole.